साधुदर्शनम पाप विमोचनम ओम अंगारकाय नमः. Dear friends, we are discussing about Mimamsa Darshana, the fifth Darshana, and the founder is Jaimini Maharshi. Jaimini Maharshi declares that the world is real and each individual is with potency. An individual's life is being motivated, derived, and guided by his own or its own karma. And karma itself is called as dharma as per Jaimini Maharshi. He also states that in this world you have to perform the required karmas and you have to get liberated through karma. Without karma, there is no life. Also, he has quoted 5 Siddhantas for that, and the empirical solution that Jaimini want to declare to the world is Jnana, Dhyana, and all other sadhanas are also part of karma. When he went deep and deep into yoga section, the high power meditation which has become samadhi is also a karma. Life cannot sustain without performing any action. So why can't you perform the great holy sacrificial actions declared by the Vedas? So karma kanda is the absolute consciousness by which every jiva can achieve its absolute state. We, in our olden days, when we were in the education level, we always used to stare to the rishis of Himalayas and used to say, ये ऋषि लोग सब फ्री में बैठा है बगैर कुछ काम किया हुआ. Definitely we used to say that these rishis are very lazy and they don't do any action. They should become dynamic and run here and there and do a lot of karmas. Why to waste your time? Of course, every youth, after studying science, physics, chemistry, and other sociology, definitely asks a question to the rishis. Even meditation or samadhi also is a part of karma. So, let us see that without karma, without action, from the declarations of Veda, life is not possible. Jaimini also wants to say that soul is real. Jagat, the universe is real. So, in this universe itself, the punya karma and papa karmas are divided, defined, and they are to be experienced. There is no choice for anybody to escape from this. So, with prostrations to Maha Rishi Jaimani, we put an end to the subject called Mimamsa, and from tomorrow we will see what is the highest holistic darshana of orthodox systems, the Vedanta of Bhagavan Vedavyasa Maharshi. Om Namah Paramarshibhyo, Namah Paramarshibhyo.